Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for another one of my little videos here. This one is going to be a little different than what I normally post. This is primarily a travel blog channel, but today I wanted to share something with you that I'm going to be using for planning travel and also planning for social media and blog posts and hopefully some more travel planning for other clients. I guess I'll start a little bit with why I chose the Emma Kate planner. I've followed her on social media for a few years now, and she used to be a blogger that wrote for the popular travel blog World of Wanderlust. And then she moved back to Australia and started her own planner business. So I've kind of been eyeing them for a few years now, and I decided that this would be the year that I wanted to buy one. I used a little paper planner last year to kind of plan out things I would do daily and also for travel and stuff like that. But I kind of wanted something a bit more this year now that I kind of had a feel for it. So anyway, I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you guys kind of what this planner is all about. Alright, so I will try to do this as best as possible without making you guys sick because I do not have a tripod, believe it or not. Oh look, see there's little confetti, so you know there's going to be some confetti coming out of here. Okay, and yes, I'm doing this on the floor because that's the best light. Alright, so it comes wrapped in nice paper with this lovely font that she created herself. This is definitely going to be something that you'll find throughout the planner. This is a little light, hard to read, but it says, "I think we're a match," and it's holding the paper together. Okay. One of the reasons why I chose this planner as well is because I knew it was just going to be really beautiful, really high quality. So you can see a lot of the confetti now. It comes in a nice little box. It says 2020. And we're just going to open that. Oh, I know. There's also comes with a little card here, just kind of like a thank you, and you know, let's see, share the love, win some prizes, but not. So, anyways, a little welcome card here. Thanks, Emma Kate. And we'll just unwrap this. Looks so pretty. Okay. Now, as you can see, I chose kind of the pink blush color. I think it's called blush. And the accent for this is like a rose gold foil. So I also paid a little extra to get it monogrammed for myself. So yeah, it's $10 for that. $10 Australian. So for those of you who live in the US, it's actually cheaper because the US dollar is pretty strong to the Australian dollar. So it's kind of hard to see, but the pages are also a nice shiny rose gold. So now the moment where we open it, there's some inspirational words here written in that lovely handwriting. And right off the bat here, we've kind of got, you know, a little yearly calendar that shows all the months of 2020, 2021, and then we get into the individual months. And I just love these little sayings that are going to pop up on every little page. Just little words of encouragement. So each month is going to be right up front all together in the book, which will be a little different for me. Normally I have the months that come before each of the individual daily pages. Just got a little more words of inspiration here. And then we come to the weekly / daily pages here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we've got a whole week laid out here with lots of space to write in under each day, and little areas here where you can add some extra notes. So we'll have to figure out what I can put there. And it looks like at the end we have a little recap of the months. And in the very end of the planner is a bunch of dot grid pages. So you can use that for, you know, doodling or making to-do lists, kind of like, I don't know, maybe a summary of things you want to get done for the whole year. And I like to draw a lot too, so I probably will utilize these pages for doodling. At the end we've got a nice little pocket here where you can store things, but also it comes with these pretty little stickers that you can use. And it looks like it's 2 sheets of the kind of the same, but look at how cute those are. Little rose gold foil arrows. I like it. I'm a scrapbooker, so I really appreciate having these stickers that I will most definitely utilize. Lastly, I just wanted to point out that there are 3 different ribbons here. They are different colors. They're kind of hard to see here, but different shades of pink it looks like. So you can, you know, take it out, mark your page, probably, I would say mark the month, and then you'll probably want to mark, you know, the week that you're in with another one, or you can, you know, take the third one and mark, you know, maybe one of the dot grid pages or something, I don't know. But that's nice because the planner that I have is kind of a really cheap one, and I just use paper clips and other sorts of clips to hold them in place where I need it. So that's nice. So yeah, so that is pretty much what it looks like. I cannot wait to use this. So excited. So that is my little unboxing of the planner from Emma Kate Co. I did actually want to mention one more thing. Pricing for planners, sometimes it can be a little expensive. This one was a little on the pricier side considering I paid like $10 last year for my little llama planner that I got from Amazon. So this particular color I think was $49 Australian plus tax, and I think the monogram was $10 Australian, and then shipping to the US, because I'm in California from Australia, it was an extra $20 Australian. So total for this, the planner, the monogram, and the shipping, I paid just over 83 Australian, which in US dollars worked out to be just under $60. I think it was like $59. So not bad for my personalized planner that is like very high quality, and I'm super excited to use this. I will also be doing a blog post probably later in the year after I've started using it, so you can kind of see how I'm using it to plan my travel, plan my social media, blog posts and whatnot, but I will also be using it as a life planner. which basically means I'll be writing down my daily tasks too, even just simple things like watering my indoor plants or giving my dogs a bath or doing laundry or vacuuming. It just helps so much to write these things down, for me at least, and I love crossing things off of lists as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing video. I will put a link to Emma Kate Co. in the video description below in case you want to check out these planners for yourself. And I say thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.